Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Hadith, chapter number 57, verse number 28, that those who have taqwa and those who believe in the messenger, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives them a light by which they are guided. So taqwa keeps you on the straight path and prevents you from deviation. How to achieve this taqwa? Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 21, Ya ayyuhan nas, O humankind, worship thy Lord who has created you and created those people who came before you so that you may learn taqwa. So if you worship your Lord who has created you and people who came before you, you will learn taqwa. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse number 83, Ya ayyuhallazina amanu, O you believe, Kutiba alaykumus sayamu, fasting has been prescribed to you. Kama kutiba alal lazina min qablikum, as it was prescribed to people who came before you. Lallakum tattaqun, so that you may learn self-restraint. The word here tattaqun, so that you may learn taqwa.